Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into eBay credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the search box at the top, type in eBay credit card login and search. In the search result that appears on the next page, click on this first link that says Synchrony. Your eBay credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, so click on that link right there. And on the next page, simply go ahead and enter your user ID and your password. While typing in your user ID, make sure to type it in correct. Head over to the password field after you're done and type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link right at the corner of the box. If you'd want the system to remember your user ID so that next time you won't have to type it in again, check this box right here that says remember user ID. But make sure to leave this box unchecked before moving on if you are using a public computer or a shared device for your security. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can click on this Forgot My User ID link. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, click on this password link and follow the instructions. You'll be able to reset to a new password, or in case you've lost your user ID, you can look for your user ID if you follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in your informations, click on the secure login button in blue and you'll be logged into your eBay credit card account in no time. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.